Hey, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can blur your video background in CapCut PC. Let's begin. Click on the video and drag it to the timeline. Right-click on the clip on the timeline and click on Copy. Then, right-click above the video and select Paste. This is to make overlay of our video. Now select the overlay clip from the timeline. Check the box. This is to remove the video background of the overlay clip. Now, we are going to add the blur effect to the main video. You can adjust the length of the blur by dragging the ends. And you can adjust the intensity of the blur here. Done. Now, you have your video background blurred. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cool and interesting CapCut tips.